Wow, we're making progress. And despite the atmosphere of uncertainty that impacts our daily schedules and plannings as citizens, I want to assure you, as a city, our teams are monitoring the coronavirus situation very closely. Furthermore, the County Emergency Operations Center is up and running 24/7. There are pre-established plans which are triaged to provide increased safety and more intense responses as increasing numbers of individuals test positively to the virus. We're entering week number 2 of the suggested 15-day guidelines issued by the White House. Frankly, this is a tough balancing act because of the uncertainty. We want our citizens to be safe while still extending quality of life freedoms to enjoy small group activities. None of us can afford to be cavalier or lighthearted about this pandemic. Instead, we must be as drastic as necessary during this critically important window of time. Focus on doing your part as Lakeland citizens or visitors to help deter the spread of COVID-19 during these next 8 days. This is why we need our community to practice social distancing, which I know we're all working at trying to understand, using good judgment when going out and doing so only for good reasons, staying at least 6 feet apart, washing your hands, and disinfecting surfaces. Together, we can flatten the incidence curve to minimize the spread of the coronavirus. There is now a great wealth of information to study the strong constraints regarding the spread of COVID-19, and here is the foremost of what we know to be true. The virus is most successfully fought by reducing human contact. So that's what we have to work at doing. That is why, as a precautionary measure, and amid spring break, we closed city buildings, parks, tennis courts, the city golf course, and boat ramps. Again, this is about being as drastic as necessary. The city has several online phone and email options to keep you informed as we continue to serve the community. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, but we must all do our part to make sure the coronavirus does not spread throughout the city. Recently, the state Surgeon General issued a public health advisory requesting all those over age 65, and I am in that group, stay home. He further emphasized the request to minimize public gatherings to 10 people or less, and he requested stay-at-home compliance for those with underlying health conditions. The City of Lakeland encourages the public to follow this advisory with a recommendation for social distancing and extremely high levels of hygiene if you do participate in any outdoor activities. There is a dedicated city webpage with several resources to help our community stay informed. This site is continuously updated, and you can find it at www.lakelandgov.net/COVID-19. I want you to know we are taking all citizen input very soberly. There is a wide range of opinions, however, from our current posture being too restrictive versus not being restrictive enough. While we have not invoked stay at home for Lakeland at present, we are keeping a keen eye on the numbers, and if they increase dramatically, this will be the next option we consider. So know this, we are monitoring the coronavirus situation hourly, and there will likely be additional modifications and announcements coming forward. Together, we will make it through this epidemic. So please help your family, friends, and neighbors to be vigilant, stay safe as we strategically endure these unusual requests and changes together. And may God bless you. Thanks.